Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the rifle is unloaded. This is non-negotiable. Once the magazine is out, pull the charging handle back and visually inspect the chamber, then physically feel for a cartridge. Make sure the safety is on, place the rifle on a stable mat, and gather tools within reach. You want a magnetic tray for screws and a nylon punch to avoid marring. Once done, position the rifle so the pistol grip set screw is accessible. This lets you begin removal without interrupting the later steps. You now support the lower receiver to prevent twisting. A small block under the magazine well is sufficient. Use the appropriate hex or Torx bit, seat it fully, and apply steady counterclockwise torque to back out the grip screw. Avoid slipping. If the grip houses wiring for an electronic trigger or storage, gently work the grip off to expose the wires. Label or photograph their positions before disconnecting. Once the screw is out, wiggle the grip straight down. Resist forcing it to prevent stripping the screw or tearing wiring. You finish by inspecting the screw, receiver boss, and any wiring insulation for damage. Replace any compromised parts. When reinstalling, align the grip, route wires as originally noted, and thread the screw by hand before final torque tighten to the manufacturer's spec. Once assembled, perform a function check without live ammo. Cycle the action and test safety. If the screw was seized, apply a penetrating oil and let it sit. Then use a correctly sized driver and slow, increasing force. Avoid rounding the head. That single tip saves time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.